Church of Uganda Anglican Half Hour nekushitibweho Iraka Uganda abarukusiyaho bereza bo Iraka Magazine na radio and TV programming.
Alright, murunji ni kwachira on program umurundo gondi on program yetu ya Church of Uganda Anglican Half Hour. Bitishkangu sande huire tukareba ho bushurize burunji kandi tukatugire omubereberezi bwa South Ankole omurintungamo omurundogo na hati tukiri omurintungamo tukiri omburisa bwa Nkongoro kandi omurundogo tabasa kutayira Canon atwinira bushurize burunji munonga turiya ahine nenyanja ya Nyabhoko. Omurundogo Kanone Kajimba atwinira obushorezi burungi na Mrs. Barukusima Arhanga bamazire emyaka 44 years in marriage, emyaka ananena bari omubushwere. Mukamogo ne murungi munonga mbwene echora akwere ostame kano takaruga TV reka turebe program AG program Church of Uganda Anglican Half Hour kama kompero mchisha. Mukama simwe Canon na kwachira program.
Yes.
Amazina bakwete wa Murundo gundi?
Amazina ni Lei Canon Elieza Kajimba.
Nakushemeru. Canon oine myaka ingahe?
Ni myaka 55.
55. Mbwenu twantwenda ngo kandi ombushwere mwahise myaka ingahe?
Ombushwere haturi umwaka gwa nanena.
Mukama simwe. Ojonerwe?
Yes, nkajunu.
Okajonoriari.
Kajunwa 80 was it 85? 86.
Okay, ntisako bantugamba hebe byo kujonwa mbwe twantwenda ngo toyanjure utugambire abantu bamanye Canon no wanke kandi nazarwe.
Lei Canon Elieza Kajimba. Hati ndi mucyaro cya Nkongoro hihe na Lake Nyabhoko. Nkazarwa Katoma konkanija na Afurikayo nahirize kushwera nafurikira kunuya Nkongoro ahimazira imyaka ashatu na mushanju 37 years here. Beitu insimo munonga abwo kuba obunshwera 19 December ahina birendi tukaba tufunzire munonga twineho eitakarta kusiana ekemwe konka kunahirize kushwera nashwera mu eriyeje yindumu abantu bayo bakanu bakunda omwishike uruhanga yampiri.
Kama sima bito okona takahikireyo iwe nozarwa makagoha
ninzarwa maka gumugenzi Kezekia Kananura na numugenzi Tabisa Kananura nuyabira rumawe bosovuze mwari aded ranga kabahumuza konka tutwine nshonga kabahumuriza ya myaka ikire tataka akarwa umunso mwene myaka nshanju kandi mawe akabine imyaka nkakenda nena
mukakora muta muri kunda rahanga
mbwene abazire bangi bombi nkuko nagamba bakabariye abakristayo konke cyedi nicyo kujunwa naki kikashitara magaragabo abo kuba bakanwe nabanywa marwa nabagera kandi nanyuma kukora abo kuba baziri bakanu baganywa nanyi nkabanywa konko obunshwera inshamje n'ibiri umushike obunashwire uranga yandondire wakari umurukuri kandi akanarga umumaka barukuri munonga nangwa nabantu bagezaho kugira ngo tinkubasa kushwera umurukuri witu waburakore tabariyo kandi nywa marwa tata naganywa mawe naganywa nabasa takushwera umurukuri abantu bingi batu disorganizinga bagezeho n'ubugenyi kubwite konkarahanga no kutangaza ahubwo kuba program ni wari kuba yagikoze bwanyuma choice rasta choice yaba mu cyogo we yashara mwatogurahanga bwo kuba wakabajun bwanyuma yikereza twataha mu maka December 2022 aryo murokore wenyine kandi nyuntari murokore konka rahanga no kutangaza yaturinda hamwe ntukundana twazara abana atutwine abana mushanju abana mukaga abujobana nabishiki babiri kandi bona tukava kuzage tivine nshonga bona bina makagabo bashwirwe kandi bona bakashwirwa mu buteka umukanisa umukanisa rikwera cyacho of Uganda hati bar Kampala niyo bina makagabo
kama sima omukora kwita of course bwiro bwinji dushanga ngo amagara na life is not easy amagara ushanga tigango hintura bo challenges nyinji narombize bubinji so mbwenu turukwenda tugambere nebizibice biwaba sekurabamo amagara gawe amagara gusigasiga gumire yabwo kuba nkazarwa makagamuro batari kubasa no kumpera nashoma primary naheza kunagire mu junior at that time ekabere mbarra high school sente zabura ahubwo kuba ni yabire junior kuba bire his primary 6 was mbarra junior kunabire ntaka namara yetamwe ibiri ahubwo kwekera boarding barikushashuza shiringi bishatu 5 sente zarema narugam kunarigiremu umsegenda tam August nataha Uganda naza kupakasa namara yabzi amezi 8 nti kunarigireyo nagenda umwe nebyishomero byaremire kantandeke nzi kushubura nazi mu kushubura imbuzi kushubura amahuri kushubura ibintu bitwabire tubantu twarira abahinde nk'enshogashoga naki bwanyuma umwari wa my distant uncles yampireza advice ngo negare inabire nyine ndiyo ndi kugishuburisa nobwo ngiguza ngariko mushomero and that is what happened naguze gari nagura uniform uro gari kariya yazenga yeje exact kushomesa
gari kabirye yesentenke munonga kabirye yesentenke munonga abo kwankangi guzire shingi gana nkaga umaduka gabahindi kandi yone shembiri life then was very cheap and very good kwanyuma gari najiguza nagura uniform ko nahitagura uniform nagarika mu junior 1 nashoma imyaka 2 ko nahereze nko kuzantare school nabo bakanconvincinga ngunze because we didn't have money at that time ndio ryabirigi niyabirira senior kunuya ndije kabiri Fort Portal Nyakasura bwanyuma at that time supervisor of schools akabari umugenzi enuka muntu yera yanyinkariginga ngo mbe patient yakayishomero yabeshengereza yagira ngo bangu miserereze abo kuba kanateka ngo basa kumpereza scholarship ya district bwanyuma minisha natunga scholarship nashoma na is a senior 4 at that time life was very good abo kuba kuwa biro zo muhaya kunagira muhaya haya bakaba bahereza uniform impare ndingwa nesati kandi n'ikoti at that time free kandi at that time abahaye bakaba batashashura fees mbwe no kuyirura ubwo nashoma erifo nageza na qualifying naza makerere at that time payment umunanko mu university kabitarum so erifo was free and the university was free mbwenu kandi kunashyikize obunaku kinana na mukaga kunjunwa abo kumukyara kaguma naba nashaba we tino buyargira kushaba ngwabwo kwankanta jundwe konkaguma nanshabira ngunjuna mbweni kinana mukaga kuna jundwe nawe namushanga ajundwe
mbona mwatandukora urugendo rusyo rwo kujunwa
twatandukora urugendo rusyo munonga and it was really very good abo kuba mukyara wanjye akaba ari grade 3 teacher konka kutwagire hamwe ndiye graduate university graduate twikerezagana nagumani mu sponsoringa yazagaba ya traininga yaba grade 4 she was a grade 2 teacher bwanyuma twikerezagana na mu sponsoringa abo kuba at that time my life was terrible because as a grade 2 teacher she was getting 315 shillings per month kandi was a graduate nkani ntunga shilingi 12 ni yabire salary ya government bwe na mu sponsoringa yazagaba yaba grade 3 yarugayo na mu sponsoringa yaza makerere yashoma grade 5 yisha yaza Kyambogo yabe graduate teacher
Mukamasima yeba mnonga kana mbwe nati muri retired
we are now retired but I'm happy that after sponsoring her nawe noreba steps zinagiremo okumura ndi director of National Teachers College na uko na sponsoring rete mpora kandi ari trained teacher ati ahahumurire abirari principal of a grade 3 Teachers College
Canon ari abantu abane bakureba program y'icyo kwenda kwenda program eji abantu abakushanga ngo amaka garumo butabango ko bwinji mnonga makaganjire abantu ninjangu no bano bareba so okabe no bahaburota abantu kabo
abantu abino butabango ku makagabo ekibashimiriye gukora no kushaba abo kuba nko kuyako batugambira mu kitabo iki kirkwera ngo wabano ikiriza okwikiriza kutarumu okukora nikuba kufire tine cyo kwihama konka wabano ikiriza ruhanga kandi no ikiriza ngo ko kumushaba nakwera okushaba n'ikintu cy'amani munonga waza hina ruhanga nakwera ushaba nko kwiyatugambire natwe raganise mu cyabo cya yemeye shura shatu mushorongwa kashatu ati munyete mbetabe azambore cyo ibyo mbona nebimutamanya umuntu kwakuba nashaba kandi no kwikiriza kurumwo gukora naki rango kushaba kwe nakuri akaturira no bakagura mu zitu zabiri zirisheke ziryenyoro konka no reba retired as a director and my wife retired as a principal grade 3 Teachers College
mbweno ubutosha mbana mukora kintu mukamushaba mushama bible omagaraganyo hati mbwene je myaka murimo
emyaka yiturumu okushaba nuko twemeririwe tushaba buri evening tushaba buri kasheshe twine kishumurizo yitu twine daily guide ntushome every day we don't miss kandi nabana bitu nabo tukabegisa kushaba ubabiri batakatungire makaba kiryaha tubine tukaba tubashabisa in tons umu ages zabo bashitama bata around the table ubwo ashabisa today yinkya karori yashabisa oriyo ndisha ashabisa bachwayo hakorataho nabo nanyi nkorataho and we would just continue like that
yeba mnonga Canon yeba kuteza obujuriza obo kandi yeba kunda rahanga kama
simwe mnonga mwebare nanyi nabasima okwija muka spending age time neitwe muri kugeza ku finding out ebirahanga tukorire bingi mnonga kandi mwebare mukama bakwase n'umugende zanyu nahanda y'umurasi mugumize muri mukoriye ikigambo kirongera hanga gumizemu ntabwo kitinisi
mukama simwe umuronje kutureba program yitu program Church of Uganda Anglican half hour tukiri muri sabwa nkongoro kandi buri saburungi omwanya nabagweta nyabhoko tukiri makaga Canon Kajimba akiri na simarhanga bitkantaza gambaho na Mrs Canon kana wona Canon batujanga nawe akaba retired principal mbwino amakago gombekere amusinjigwa ruhanga mukama simwe akompera mugisha utagaruga program eji